Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen.
Hey.
This afternoon, because it's 2:41 p.m.
That's right.
I'm just making
Central Time.
a grilled cheese sandwich for my husband. And
What kind of grilled cheese?
How I make it. Well, what I'm doing is I'm cooking that bottom part.
What kind of toast is that?
This is just Texas toast.
All right.
Or you see the thicker slices, because if you're gonna make grilled cheese, you want to go and get bigger slices. You know what I'm saying? You don't want those little tiny
dinky
slices. Exactly.
No dinky,
and
no
then
dinky.
I'm gonna use also, I'm using butter.
Check.
That's my oil, the butter.
Ingredients
so
down
I'm just
below.
checking. You see, I need
That's
that
right.
to brown. I don't want it to
so
burn,
you put
but I want it
butter,
to brown.
bread,
Just
and
butter
cheese?
in the bread, and I'm browning it.
All right.
And then when that's brown, I'm gonna turn it over. So this side that I already put butter on it also.
All right.
And brown, and I'm gonna put the cheese on the side that is cooked.
That's right.
And then before I put them together, I'm gonna pour a little bit of, ketchup.
That's right.
This is just regular ketchup. It tastes as good as the Heinz.
It gives it that twang.
Exactly, and it's very good. Okay, for all.
Excuse me.
Anyways, I'm gonna continue to be checking the bottoms. I don't want my bottoms to.
And you put butter on that
starting
bread,
to
right?
toast.
You
Yes,
buttered
I
the
did.
bread.
Yes, I did.
All right.
And I'm
So how
gonna
do you know if it's
continue.
done?
Well,
Like
they're
without
almost
lifting
like
it.
ready.
Like you
They're
just.
almost ready to flip to
Okay.
the other side, like that's ready to flip. I'm gonna lower that.
So you don't want
little
it to have a black color.
bit. No, you don't want that black color.
Brownish.
Like that.
Like
right?
golden hue, like that.
Yes,
Okay, folks. You see
we're
that?
gonna put a little bit more.
All right, butter.
Yeah.
The butter is
So
the
it
key.
Yeah, but be careful.
So you
don't
put
wanna-
butter on the bread and
you don't
butter
wanna
in the
get
pan
out.
to make a buttery crust.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the cheese on that side that is toasted already.
Cheese it up, cheese it up.
Exactly. A slice on each.
2 pieces of cheese per slice.
And then when the other side is already toasted,
Yeah.
then we'll put it together. We'll add. See, it's starting to toast,
That's
Michael. See?
And you have it on medium heat. You don't want to put it on high heat.
No, you don't.
You're going to burn the bread.
Let me see this.
Can we look? Can the folks look?
It's still
Friends
white.
and family
Yeah,
and
but it's
fans?
still white.
Oh, all right.
They haven't gotten brown.
It is white. It is white. Wow, smoke it.
Yeah, or just butter, I know the butter's gonna do.
It's gonna do.
Has butter, like the good stuff that tastes good, the good food that everybody wants.
That's right.
Has butter in it.
Yeah.
You
The
know?
best things in the world have butter. Ice cream.
Yeah, that says brown. Excuse me.
Oh. Whoa.
That's brown, okay.
Almost knocked me
So I'm gonna
out.
take this and I'm gonna turn it very.
All right.
The reason I can do this because I'm used to it, okay? So we're gonna put it like that together and I'm gonna flip real quick. See what's
Flip it
going on
up,
that
flip it
side.
up.
Okay, you see that side? Needs a little bit
More butter.
more butter
Why is that?
and be turned because it was cooking an empty space
Gotcha.
against the pan.
Yes.
Now what we're gonna do is turn around
Turn it
and
on.
while
Turn it
that
on.
cooking. You know what I forgot? The
What did
most
she
important
forget?
thing. Ouch.
Wow,
Very
that was
hot.
smart.
I know.
Be careful,
But
mama.
I have to. You gotta
Be
put-
careful. Be careful.
What does a sandwich like this require?
A smiley face. Go ahead. 2 little dots. You know? Well, that's the prettiest
good.
smile I ever seen.
That's good, right? And that is for you folks. This is done now. I bet you all you want. I'm gonna flip it, okay? Yeah, quite done, right?
Hold it right there. Hold it right there. The
Break it like
thumbnail.
that,
Hold it
yeah.
right there. Hold on.
Look
Oh,
at
that's
that.
beautiful. Wait, wait, wait.
Wait, let me turn it. Like
Oh,
that.
okay.
This
Wait,
is
wait,
the
wait,
one
wait.
that I want
Oh,
you to take.
yeah.
Hold
Wait,
that,
wait,
hold that.
wait, wait,
And then
wait,
the
wait.
butter, you put it in the bottom, you know?
Oh, wait. That's that. Beautiful, guys. Wait, let me zoom in
So
on
this
that.
is still gonna be good. It's just that sometimes it doesn't come pretty. You know what I'm saying?
Pretty.
You
It's-
want
it's not pretty.
It's fine.
It's
just the other side
beautiful.
of the bread, looks like Not it didn't cook like it just it's like a piece
Mama,
came off
we're not-
of it,
we're-
but it's
we're-
fine.
the bread
And
has
now
to
we're
be
gonna put-
crispy,
I
not
know.
burnt.
No, Dad's gonna like that a
That's
lot.
right.
Hold on, get back so I can take a plate.
Back it up.
And then we're gonna go and bring this to him, okay, Michael? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna cut it so you guys can see the melted cheese inside. That's what everybody likes. Everybody likes to see that melted. Pero ven acá, pero take that foot away from my face.
All right, all
like that,
right.
niño.
Oh, I gotta do it like this. Look.
Okay, be
The,
quiet.
the
Let me
picture's
turn this
better.
off.
Wait, wait, wait.
So I want everybody to hear the crunch.
Well, go ahead, go ahead.
Ready?
And then so when you split it
Don't
apart,
talk.
then I'll take a thumbnail.
Don't talk.
All right.
Ready?
I won't talk.
Go.
You first.
Hear that crunch, people? That's what
That's right. Now split it
If you-
apart, and now I can
and
take a
if you
thumbnail.
get that crunch, then here we go.
Hold on.
Your creamy, cheesy, what is it? A cheese thing? What do we call those, Mike?
A Texas toast grilled cheese.
A grilled cheese. A grilled cheese.
A Texas
Sorry,
toast
guys.
grilled cheese sandwich.
Sorry, guys.
Recipe.
Yeah. Texas toast. I've been all over the place. I was at the supermarket running errands, the post office.
She's superwoman.
The bank. You know, doing all that stuff, picking up a few more things that I needed, taking care of my husband while he's working, taking care of my other two sons, making sure that, you know, because Michael back there, he's part of Cindy's kitchen. We're a team. It's me and Mike, right, Mike?
That's right.
And I love him to death. And that goes for all the rest of my kids. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. And you show you this delicious melted cheese.
Texas toast grilled cheese sandwich.
Texas toast grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, I told you that I was tired of doing something. Wait, I'm thirsty. Hold on a second. Hold on. That's real thirsty. I couldn't even talk. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, people. Like us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Google Plus, on what else, Michael?
Patreon, Lives Abundance, we're everywhere.
LifeAbundance.com/for-all. If you go down below and look for that link, that would take you to another whole new level of puppy care and dog food that you'll be amazed. You can actually even buy the little packages, you know, like the tryout packages, and then if you like it, you go from there. But don't forget to click that link. I'll appreciate it. It'll be really good for everyone. And with that, I'll let you go. Love you. Eat your grilled cheese. Try your grilled cheese, making it like I did. It looks delicious. And love you all. Don't drink and drive. See you later.